Creating tutorials, walkthroughs, and quick explainer videos has never been easier, thanks to modern screen recording tools. Two of the most popular options for creators today are Loom and Screencastify. Loom is all about speed and simplicity. It is designed for people who want to hit record, explain something, and share it instantly. When you open Loom, you can start recording your screen, camera, or both in just a few seconds. The interface is clean and lightweight, with minimal setup required. Once you finish recording, the video uploads automatically to the cloud, and you get a shareable link right away. This instant sharing model is what makes Loom so popular among creators and teams. Instead of downloading large files or waiting for uploads, you can send the link to anyone, and they can watch immediately, no account needed. It is perfect for tutorial creators who want to quickly show how to use a tool, fix a problem, or demonstrate a workflow. Loom also includes useful editing features. You can trim sections, add call-to-action buttons, and include emoji reactions or comments for feedback. The camera bubble that shows your face can be repositioned or hidden, which keeps tutorials engaging without being distracting. For teams, Loom integrates with platforms like Slack, Notion, and Google Workspace, making it easy to embed videos in documentation or training materials. One of Loom's biggest advantages is accessibility. It works across desktop, browser, and mobile, and all recordings are stored online. The free plan offers generous recording time, while paid plans add more storage, HD quality, and team collaboration tools. Now let's look at Screencastify. This platform has been especially popular in the education space, used by teachers and trainers to create lessons and tutorials. It works as a Chrome extension, so you can start recording directly from your browser without installing a full app. You can record your screen, webcam, or both, and annotate your recordings with tools like a pen, mouse spotlight, and text overlays. Perfect for explaining step-by-step processes. Screencastify saves videos locally or to Google Drive, giving you full control over your files. Once recorded, you can trim, merge, and export videos easily. It also supports direct uploads to YouTube or sharing via a link, which is handy for creators who post frequently. Another strong point for Screencastify is its educational focus. It allows you to create quizzes and interactive video assignments, making it a go-to choice for teachers and trainers. The ability to collect responses and track viewer engagement is helpful for anyone who needs to measure understanding, not just share information. However, Screencastify's workflow can feel a bit slower than Loom's because it relies more on local storage and exports. It is great for those who want more control over video editing and file management, but less ideal if you want to share instantly with minimal friction. Both platforms make screen recording easy and effective, so it really comes down to your workflow. Loom gives you speed and simplicity, while Screencastify gives you structure and control. Either way, both tools help creators produce clear, engaging tutorials that make learning and communication faster and more visual than ever.